President Ruto Niwathana Kithito cha Selekali Kuendeea Kwailya Uiiti wa Mwenenthi Nthi ya Kenya Kwisila Kinandu cha SHA na Taifa kia aidena kabinani kala wa vingwa umbano wi mwanya wa kunenanisya Uiiti. President nwaweta kana Nthi makethi wana utonyi wa kuiva ndivi cia uiiti kavola kuitwa mawala mengala manene takanza sukali kati wa mauo angi. Osia Kimanzi ni mwandiki wetu wa mauo.
Aine na kavindani kala wavingwa umbano wa kunenanisia Uiiti nyumbani ya umbano ya GICC muzini wa Ilovi. Musumbi Ruto na Selekali niende Kwailya Uiiti Nthi ya Kenya kuikithia kila mwenenthi ni wabikione Uiiti mwailu aiweta kana Kwisila Kinandu cha Uiiti cha SHA aho umama wa ume mwanya makethi ya wana ibuso ya kuibandivizia Uiiti kavola na kuthinikiwa undu vailite.
This is a fundamental shift. Prevent what we can, detect what we cannot prevent, treat early what we detect, and refer efficiently what requires specialized treatment. And when a Kenyan requires admission, surgery, or specialized treatment, the Social Health Insurance Fund provides the next level of protection, build on the principle that everyone should contribute according to their means and their ability, but no one should be denied care merely because they cannot afford it. While Lipa SHA Pole Pole enables families in the informal economy to contribute progressively according to their circumstances and means.
Owiyo vo Musumbi Ruto ayongera na kuwetakana kwizila nzia cia matuku muvea wa Uiiti no Kwailya Uiiti kuikithia enenzi ni makwata Uiiti kwa umelu na nzia ila ciailite ondu mwana kuikithia utumiku mwailu wa ilovia cia Uiiti.
Digitization is not simply about replacing paper with screens. It is about making every patient visible, every treatment traceable, and every payment accountable. That is what it does. And as I have said, this whole process, the heart of it is our digitization process.
Kavindani kau aiweta kana Kwisila Kwailya Uiiti Nthi ya Kenya mazivitali makethi ya wana matonya kuungamia ngalama cia kuandawa na kuthoa imwe cia masini cia Uiiti.
Through the Facilities Improvement Financing Act, public health facilities and all other facilities can retain and reinvest their revenues in medicines, equipment, and better patient care. Since October 2024, Social Health Authority has received more than 209 billion and paid out 178 billion to contracted facilities across 47 counties.
Probably the maternal rate has basically gone down.
Ngirivoti ya vilingwa movo mutongo ITV Osia Kimanzi.